Hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. So today we got some fake HMS. So I remember a lot of you were asking about the fake HMS. So here we are. So today we're gonna talk about these fake HMS and I'll show you if they are any good or not. So guys, without wasting any more further time, let's get into it. So this particular one is from TT Hoagley and the name of the Beyblade is Dark Effigy. So let me open it. So let me take out all the parts. So basically in HMS we get these four parts. So as usual this is called attack ring and this one is called weight disc and this one is called bit and this one is called RC. So RC means running core. So let's assemble the bay. So assembling a HMS is pretty easy. Now I'm gonna put this bit here. Okay, so our dark effigy has been assembled, looks good, and I like this metal tip. So one thing to note here guys, these are fakes, so this metal quality won't be good, and the HMS are mostly made out of metal, so they could break, so keep that in mind. And I got a HMS grip which is pretty hard to get, and this is a HMS launcher. So I don't think so it's a TT Hoagley launcher, it's a ANL. So from the guy I bought, he sent me a ANL launcher with it. So this is how a HMS setup looks, the HMS setup. So let's keep it aside for a while. It's time for red Drigger. So we got a Drigger HMS and this particular is from AA Toys. So it's also a fake, so let me open it. So we get a pretty shiny good looking launcher, great. Stickers and ripcord, pretty good. Now here we get our Drigger. So one thing I'm gonna tell you guys is this one got broken, so by me obviously. So earlier when it came I was testing it and I broke it. So here's our weight disc, we got a running core, bit, and here is our attack ring. So you can see this attack ring has been broken, so that I was talking about earlier. So it depends on the quality of the fake Beyblade which you are buying. Since this fake one is from AA Toys, so I am not sure, so that's why this is very brittle metal. But anyways, I'm gonna assemble it. So one thing I want to share with you guys here is that I bought this from a guy and he told me not to assemble it honestly, because he tried it and it didn't work. So now before we discuss more, let me keep out all the stuff away. So here we have our fake HMS. So the Drigger has been broken, and the reason because I did some testing and during the testing it broke. So I did a test battle before the video and it broke. So guys, this one Drigger MS Red is from AA Toys and this Dark Effigy is from TT Hoagley. So the quality in TT Hoagley seems a bit better. It doesn't mean that it's not gonna break or something. It might break, I cannot say for sure, but I tested it for few battles and it worked. But I cannot say the same for this particular guy. It is very brittle. So from the guy I bought, he told me that this Drigger MS, it is not supposed to battle. We are not even supposed to assemble it. But you know us, right? I did it anyway, and again I am gonna do that today as well. Today we're gonna battle these guys and we're gonna see if they are any good or not. So guys, our stadium has been set up and we are ready for the battle. So one by one we're gonna launch both of these and we're gonna test it out. Even from the guy I bought, he told me not to play with these. So the only reason I am doing this video is because one of you told me to make a video on fake HMS. So first I'm gonna launch Dark Effigy. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Pretty good. Now it's time for Drigger. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And again Drigger broke. So you can see another piece of Drigger broke. Let's give it another shot. Let's see if it breaks any further or not. So guys, this Drigger MS broke and its metal ring has gone. So it's losing balance pretty bad. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So that's why we are not even able to launch. On the other side, our Dark Effigy is doing pretty good. So guys, let me give this another shot. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Three, two, one, let it rip. Now it's turn for Drigger. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So guys, an unfortunate event has happened. So after that fight, Drigger was so violent, it took out Dark Effigy, and Dark Effigy went out of the stadium. It dropped out of my table because of that hit, and this is what happened. I was able to find one part on the floor, so I guess Dark Effigy has also failed us. Honestly, this was just very cheap. I mean, my seller told me that this one is cheap just for show, not to even play or assemble, so I agree on that. But this one, he was saying like it is playable but with caution, but I think it failed as well. So what I would suggest, if you are thinking about buying a fake HMS, please don't, because when I got this Dark Effigy, I thought it's playable, but after a hit it went off the table and it broke. So what I would say is, so we have seen in the fake OG Beyblades, the metal quality is a big issue, and HMS are made out of 100% metal. So I wouldn't suggest you to buy any fake HMS. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. Let me know your thoughts in comment section, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.